Hi, boys and girls. My story today is about a penguin, and it is called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Have you ever gotten the hiccups before? I have, and they sometimes are very hard to get rid of. I've held my breath. I have been scared. Nothing sometimes seems to help to get rid of the hiccups. So today I hope Little Penguin gets rid of his hiccups quickly. Little Penguin gets the hiccups. Oh my goodness, it looks like he must like to eat some chili, and he has some hot chili peppers over here. Looks like all of the penguins have a bowl of chili on their iceberg. I didn't know penguins like chili. I like it, but let's see. Oh, hello. It's nice to say meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of hiccups. It's driving me crackers. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. And Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, best way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Get ready. But I don't like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try it again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Get ready, boys and girls. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh no, it didn't work. Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you. Roar! Were you expecting that? Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you just go and try to jump out on me, and so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, well, hold on a second. Did you notice something? One is Franklin, but 2, is he hiccuping anymore? I don't hear any. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you so very much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Can you imagine what spicy tacos might do? Uh-oh. I I think this little penguin's going to have some problems again. And all of the penguins are eating tacos, and right here he's going, whoa. So if you eat any chili or have any tacos, be careful that you don't get the hiccups either. Have a great day.